How to back up WhatsApp chats on Android. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats on Android, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Once you are in your WhatsApp app. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Then tap on Chats. From here, go to Chat Backup. Now you'll see options to back up your chats to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Then select the Google account you want to use for the backup. Now tap Backup to start the process immediately. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery. Once done, your WhatsApp chats will be safely backed up to Google Drive. That's all for the video. Now you can easily restore your chats anytime on a new device. If this video helped you out, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.